Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the essentials, a Google account that has two-step verification and the payment method ready. Once done, sign into the Play console using that Google account. Make sure you choose the account attached to your developer registration. Switching after can cause delays. Enter basic profile info if prompted, then confirm billing details so the console recognizes you as a developer. This gets you past the lock gates and into the dashboard where publishing action. Once on the dashboard, check your account permissions and invite any team members with the correct roles, because publishing needs proper access control. Next, click to create a new app or open an existing draft. Supply the app name, default language, and whether it's an app or game. Then fill core metadata, short and full descriptions, contact email, and link to your privacy policy. Make sure you save each section as you go so nothing is lost between pages. To finish, complete content ratings, pricing, and distribution choices, then upload your APK or AAB and set up an internal test track to verify installation. Review the Play console's checklist for any missing items, then publish to the chosen testing or production track. If you can't sign in or see missing features, first confirm two-step verification is active and not prompting a recovery step. Next, verify your payment cleared and your account role granted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.